Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock chat on WhatsApp. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp. Now from here, if you want to lock this chat on WhatsApp, just touch and hold it and then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. And here you can see lock chat option. Then just tap here, then tap on continue. Then you have to scan your fingerprint or face lock and it's done. Now the chat has been locked successfully. Now if I close WhatsApp and then open up WhatsApp again. Now if you cannot find lock chat option here, just swipe up and that's it. Then just tap on lock chat. Then you have to scan your fingerprint or face lock. You can also use your current password. Just tap on use password option and then type your current password. Then tap on continue and that's it. And that way you can easily find your lock chat. If you want to unlock this chat, just touch and hold it again and then tap on these three dots. Then tap on unlock chat. Then scan your fingerprint again and it's done. Now just go back and that's it. You can see the chat has been unlocked successfully. And that is how you can lock chat on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.